everyone. In this video, I am going to be doing a vlog of this week. I'm going to be sharing with you my knitting projects and also a new recipe that I've been wanting to try. It's graham crackers. My son loves graham crackers and I thought it would be awesome if I could make them from scratch. So I hope you guys enjoy the style of video. I'm going to share with you first all of the knitting projects that I have going on this week and things that I'm going to be purchasing or new items that I'm going to cast on. Okay, in the last video I shared that I was making some dungarees from the magazine called Love Knitting, and the pattern calls for DK weight yarn and 4mm needles. I just didn't like how the pattern was turning out with the variegated colors. I'll show you a photo here of how it was looking. It actually was like not even noticeable, all of the pattern that it was creating. So I decided to scrap it, and I was gonna return the yarn and go for a bamboo wool yarn that I found on premieryarns.com, but I couldn't find my receipt to return it, so I have to keep it. And I found a very beautiful summer dress. I found a beautiful summer dress on Etsy and it was about $3, and the website or the store name is called Knitted Fusion, and it is absolutely beautiful. And I thought, oh, this is perfect, I can use the yarn for this, and then later on when I buy the right yarn for the dungarees I can make that then. So I've already started working on that project, and this is where I'm at. It has this the border is, I think it's called a moss stitch, where you go between like a knit and a purl. It's my first time doing it, but it's so beautiful. I've done about 10 rows already. So that's this project. I'm estimating that most of my projects are going to take about like a month long, and at this rate I think, yeah, that's gonna happen. I'm probably gonna make this dress within a month, so that'll be perfect during summertime. She can wear this fun little tank top dress, and the yarn is not, you know, too thick, so it's not going to be like too hot on her. Okay, so we just got back from the store and I actually returned some knitting needles. I had purchased a second pair of the 9-inch 2.25 circular needles, so that way I can try and do 2 socks at the same time so I don't get second sock syndrome. I realized that I wanted to make some socks for my son and daughter, and I thought, why not buy the 32-inch circular needles instead and try and do socks on that, and then that way if I want to I can use the 9-inch circular needles for one pair of socks and then the 32 for another pair. And then if I'm a pro, which I'm, like I said, I'm a beginner, so I'm not even close to a pro, I can eventually one day make 2 socks on the 32-inch needles, or not 32-inch needles, the 32-inch cable for socks. So I ended up returning the 9-inch ones, and then I'm buying those. I won't have them here this week. Hopefully in the next video I can show you them. What I'm gonna do today, or right now while my kids are hanging out over here, they're playing, so you might hear them a little bit. But I'm gonna take this sock that I had showed you last time that I was planning on just frogging. Let's see if it focuses. Ah, there it is. And I am going to put it on some scrap yarn, and then I'm gonna start knitting the pink pair of socks that I had in the other video too. I said I was gonna do it maybe in wintertime, but I feel inspired to start it now because I really want to have my sock done so I could start doing my daughter's and we can have matching socks. She has small feet. She has, I mean, she's a 6-month-old baby, so hers hopefully will be a lot quicker to finish up, but at least I can start mine, and hopefully we can have both pairs together at the same time for winter. So let's do that.
Another vice, grab my old lighter. This cigar helps me slow down, thinking back to
Happy Sunday, everyone. Today I wanted to show you what I was able to get done this week in my knitting projects. The first one is the pink socks, and I was only able to get about 4.5 rows.
Gunga.
Oh, you dropped a graham cracker. Alright, so that's that one. Oh, almost dropping everything. And then the second one, oh no, drop that, was the knit dress. This one is about maybe like 10 inches long. I don't even know, I didn't even measure it. But I got about 8 rows of this one done. That's that. This week I didn't do too much knitting. I actually have been spending a lot of time in the kitchen. I've been baking and learning how to ferment. So I also wanted to show you how the graham crackers came out that I made this week. They're very good. My son loves them. With these graham crackers, I would say I should have rolled them a little bit thinner because they came out a little thick. And then I would have added more sugar to them because they weren't as sweet as we would have liked them to be. But my son loves them. I mean, as you can see, he's just like coming back for more. And then lastly, I wanted to share with you that I did receive my 32-inch 2.25 needles for his socks and as well as my daughter's socks. So hopefully this week I can start a pair, casting it on, and learning how to do magic loop too, because I don't know how to do magic loop. So this week hopefully I can learn that, and that'll be in like one of the next videos coming up. But I hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.